Going on, guys? It's been a while since I posted a video. A lot of shit's been going on. Uh, After the last time I talked to you, I don't even remember when it was, but in the beginning of July, I came down with the COVID virus. Me and my wife had knocked us out for a good month. Luckily, we didn't get too severe, but we had just tiredness, headaches, fever. But we got through it, and I'll show you what we got going on right now. I got some good news. I went to Houston the other day, about 2 weeks ago, and I found at a junkyard over there, I found another Mazda b2200, and it still had the engine in it, and I got the head off of it. Because the last time we talked, the other head I had was no good. So let me show you the head I'm working on. I've been changing the valve stem seals. Might as well. I'm there. The head's out, so I said, let me do them. Valve stem seals are cheap. Got them off of Amazon, I think it was, or eBay. I don't even remember. But I'm about to do the last one, and then I'll show you how I'm doing it. All right, guys, this is the head I got. I'm almost done. I got one more valve stem seal to put on. I'll show you how to do it real quick. Put it on by hand, real slow. Kind of use this. It's a 12 millimeter, fits perfect. Hit it on. I have to set you down, then I'll do it. Hold on. All right, here I am. When you hear that hollow sound, you know what's down. This is what I'm using too. I got this off of from Harbor Freight valve spring overhead valve spring compressor tool. It's a little annoying to get these things off. I had this thing I had to take Honda Civic valve springs off. It worked to take it off pretty good. It fits over it. Hit it with a hammer pretty hard. Put something underneath to hold the valves up. Comes off, the lockers, the keepers stay inside there. But on the Honda, you could use these, and it's the perfect size for the keepers. But on here, it didn't work. It was good for taking it off, but it didn't work to put it on. So what I've been doing, get the valve spring. It's kind of pain in the ass to put on. And then put it in there, squeeze it as far as you can. I'll show you in a minute how I have it. I already got the keepers in there too. And just compress it as far as you can go, as far as it goes down. You gotta hold it tight too on the sides, because then it'll pop out. And what sucks that it doesn't grab the small spring that good, so you're gonna have to push it down the rest of the way. But I'm gonna put the valve in. I cleaned the valves, the wire wheel, nice and clean. Let me slide it in. I put this rag right here to kind of hold the valves in place. And I'll put this on here, and it's a pain. Trust me, it's a pain. That's why I waited to the last one to show you guys how I did it. You'll see the valve keepers come out, and you have to push it down because the small spring is not getting compressed, so you have to assist it, and it's a pain in the ass. I got one in so far, so you have to push down, stabilize it, and make sure these things don't fly out on you. Almost there. It's annoying, trust me. So I waited to the last one to show y'all what I've been doing. So now I got one all flipped upside out. Super annoying, but not too bad. I mean, the valve spring compressor thing was only like 12 bucks at Harbor Freight. Valves themselves, I think, were like less than 20 bucks. You see little keepers. Pain in the ass to get them in, because the spring gets in there all crooked. Once you pass that point, it'll fall in place. So that's what I need, guys. I know I haven't showed much content. Just kind of got sick for about a month, and it's hard to get some time out here. And then school's about to start for me Monday, which today is Wednesday night. Pain in the ass. Pain in the ass. But I decided to change majors last minute. Basically everything going on right now, I was going for a radiology tech and I got it in. Alright, then you let go of the tool. All the way out. Yeah, I was going to go for radiology tech, and I already finished all my prereqs. I just had to apply to the program. And he was like, you know what? I don't want to be in healthcare anymore. So I decided to go for industrial machining. And I should be able to get my associates in industrial machining. I've taken an auto mechanic class at a community college. So I got some skills on doing mechanic work. But yeah, I'll show you how it's all done. They're all freaking 8 of them. So let me straighten y'all out. So that's where I've been at. So I got the head pretty much ready to go. I got the bottom end all cleaned up. Pretty good. I checked it with the straight edge. It is square. These things were torqued down. It was a pain in the ass to get them off at the junkyard. It felt like 200-degree heat. But I found it. Luckily I found it. I mean, I called a whole bunch of junkyards in Houston. This is the only one they had, and they had just got it. Let me see, I went last week on Wednesday or Tuesday. They had just got it on Monday, and I got to go on Thursday. I think it was Thursday morning. Went to a junkyard. Everything was still there mechanically. Got the head off, and then I had to walk back like a mile to the back to the gate to pay for it. But I got it. So the next step from here, I already got the head gasket in. I got new dowel pins. I got intake gasket. I'm gonna try to run it with the original carburetor. Hopefully these fire up. I want to hear this thing run before I spend money on a new carburetor and buy a header and all that stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna finish putting the head back together, put the cams on there, the rockers, and then we'll go from there. I got some assembly lube. I'm gonna put some on the camshaft. Just put it on the bearings. Thing's been sitting for a while. It's all freaking watery. Shake it up, shake it. Yeah, I start school Monday. I go to school Monday to Thursday from 7:30 to about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I got the thing with the rockers. Let me clean this off and then I'll get back to you. Alright guys, I got it, the cans put back on, the rockers, ready to go. I just need to torque them down. I got the book, so I'll look up the torque settings there, but I think I'm gonna call it for tonight. But got the head all back together and we'll go from there, put it on the engine. But let me show you what I was doing before I got sick from COVID. Oh, my freaking battery died. Hold on. Alright, my battery died on my light. But that's where I was at. I got the old brackets cut off. Now I just gotta put the new ones on. I have somewhere. But yeah, that's where I was at. Yeah, I was glad seeing y'all again. Stay posted. I'll have more content now that I got the head. We'll go from there. The next video, you'll see me putting it on the motor. And we'll go from there, put it together, and try to hopefully get it started. But yeah, we'll check it later. Bye.